Guys, do you like it? I got ballerina cappuccino, boo boo patapim, bombini goosini. I don't know how to spell that. 6, 7. And rainbow ballerina cappuccino and asthma soda. Let's see if I got anything upstairs. Let's do some emotes. And remember to like and subscribe.